Top 5 health benefits of apple cider vinegar. Unless you've been hiding under a rock, you've probably heard about apple cider vinegar. Whether you've seen social media influencers taking it first thing in the morning, or heard your friends rave about it, there's no doubt that this essential pantry item has been exploding in popularity. But using ACV for its many benefits isn't something new. In fact, people have been using it in home remedies and recipes for centuries because of its antimicrobial and antioxidant properties. That said, recent research has brought to light several health benefits of apple cider vinegar. So, let's find out what they are. Number 1. Kills harmful bacteria. Turns out, good old ACV was the go-to back in the day for disinfecting wounds and treating issues like nail fungus, warts, lice, and ear infections. It still is a fantastic way to treat and prevent infection since it destroys germs efficiently. In addition to that, apple cider vinegar acts as an excellent natural food preservative, preventing bacteria like E. coli from spoiling food. Number 2. Helps lower blood sugar and manage diabetes. If diabetes runs in your family, consider adding some ACV into your daily routine as a preventative measure. One of the best-known benefits of apple cider vinegar is its ability to help manage type 2 diabetes, as it's shown to reduce fasting blood sugar levels. Just keep in mind that while apple cider vinegar is usually a safe addition to a diabetes treatment plan, it isn't a substitute for actual medication. If you are already taking insulin or prescription drugs for the condition, it's best to consult your doctor before starting on ACV. Number 3. Helps with weight loss. Many people want to lose weight, and diet supplements are certainly in high demand. But it's been shown that apple cider vinegar can aid in weight loss too. That's because it actually tricks your body and mind into thinking you are full, which prevents you from overeating. And this will help you stick to your new diet plan, especially at the beginning when you need a little more help staying on track. Of course, ACV alone isn't a magical weight loss solution. It has to be part of a healthy lifestyle, which means you still need to exercise regularly and watch what you eat. Number 4. Aids digestion. Ever seen your grandmother take a shot of ACV after a meal? Since apple cider vinegar is naturally acidic, those with low stomach acid, especially older adults, find it easier to digest their food when they consume some ACV. It's also shown to help with gas and bloating due to its ability to destroy harmful bacteria in the intestines. Number 5. Protects against cardiovascular diseases. Apple cider vinegar can help manage cholesterol and triglyceride levels, which are known to increase your risk of heart disease if they're too high. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties also help prevent fat deposits in the arteries that might cause blockages and inhibit blood flow. So if you're having trouble lowering your blood pressure or managing your cholesterol levels, it's a good idea to look into what ACV can do for you. Of course, consult a doctor first to see how serious the situation is and if you need medication. If your doctor gives you the go-ahead, it's best to use raw, organic, unfiltered apple cider vinegar that contains the mother. You can pick up a bottle at your local health food store or order it online. And the easiest way to incorporate ACV into your diet is use it in cooking. From homemade mayo to marinades and salads, there's a world of options out there. But if the kitchen isn't your favorite place to be, you can simply mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of it into a glass of water. Just make sure you don't overdo it. Too much ACV can cause tooth enamel erosion. It can also cause potential drug interactions. So if you plan to start, make sure you start slowly to check for any side effects before making it a daily habit. Thanks for watching. If you thought this video offered some useful information, slam that like button and share it with your friends. It allows us to create more great content. If you want to see more videos from us, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video.